Alright guys, so in this video I'll be showing you guys a very simple ICT trading strategy that is used for scalping. You can use it for scalping, you can use it for swing trading, you can use it for day trading. Guys, it works on whichever time frame, whichever pair, but I prefer to use it on the US 30 or the NAS 100 and probably gold, GJ, and the futures market. Alright, so this is going to be a very simple strategy. It's called the supply and demand strategy. I used an indicator called supply demand zone. It helps me find supply and demand in the market. If you want to see me talk about this indicator, watch the video on the card to learn more about this indicator. So you plot this indicator on your chart and you want to look for supply and demand on the 30-minute time frame. Alright, so let me go back to this example that's already played out. So this is a 30-minute time frame supply. Oh no, this is demand. So when the price is showing this blue candlesticks, it clearly means that there is a demand in the market. So this point is a demand, and as you can see, price left that zone and it came back to retest that demand zone. So at the retest at this point, I'm going to be looking for something really interesting. So let me use my replay tool to take this price out and show you guys in real time how the strategy works. So you want to go down to like the 5-minute time frame or the 3-minute time frame, depends on which one you want to use, and you want to see a change in market structure. All right, you want to see price break this highs, because this is the highest point price got to after the touch, because price touched at this point and gave us a run up and it took the lows out. We want to see a change in character at this point. We want to see a change in character. So what this clearly means is that you want to look for a breakout of this structure. You want to see price break above this line to confirm that price is going to go up. So let's see, you're waiting, and yes, guys, you can see price broke out at this point. So it all depends on the kind of entry you want to use. So what I like to do is I like to wait for kind of like maybe a fair value gap, or if you want to get in at more like this style is more risky. If you want to just get in at this point and maybe your stop loss below at this below this candlestick, the lowest point price got to during this price movement of this change in character. So except you want to take put your stop loss there and have a more aggressive entry, I wouldn't recommend this style, but it's also possible to trade like this. Or the next step is to wait for a fair value gap or a supply demand in this same zone. All right, so let's say we're waiting now, bam, this is an FVG. Guys, I use an indicator called fair value gap by nephew Sam. I made that video, I showed you guys, it's still on the card here. You can check it out to see how I set my indicators up that has made me a profitable trader. So this is an FVG at this point. You want to take this FVG and maybe take your trade here, your stop loss below at this point. You take profit of 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5, whichever one you're comfortable with, guys. But for this example, I'll be using 1.5. Then I want to see price retest. As you can see, price retest this FVG zone, and let's see what price does. You can see price is trying to fake us out, and bam, you can see, guys, this was a beautiful trade. Guys, this is very easy. You can take your trade at this point. It's still a win, guys. It's still a win for 1 to 1.5, or you can just take your trade at this at the FVG, wait for an FVG. For me, guys, I prefer to wait for an FVG because it makes me more comfortable, because ICT trades with FVG. Like this is one of his strategies. This is one of his concepts, FVG. At least that's what I think, because ICT, I've seen a lot of videos online talking about FVG by ICT. So I'm just trying to incorporate ICT's psychology, trading style, which is this FVG, into this strategy. So supply and demand zone on a 30-minute time frame. Wait for go down to the 3-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame. Wait for a change in character. At this point, as you can see, price broke above this zone, and you can just take a trade there. Your stop loss at the lowest point, or you can just wait for a more detailed and more advanced entry, which is this FVG. Wait for a more I would say a more suitable entry, which is this FVG, and you can see price just came back, retest, and all the way up. So let's see if we did a 1 to 2. Let's see if we would have won this trade. And yeah, we won this trade, guys. We won this trade for a 1 to 2. Watch the next video on the end screen to learn more about my way of trading that's going to help you become a profitable trader. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.